Fritz DSL Protect is part of Fritz DSL Start Center, supplementing the firewall functions of your Fritzbox. Fritz DSL Protect can block programs on your computer from transferring data to the Internet and provides internal security for your network, different from a firewall which bans external access to your computer. If a program is started which tries to gain access to the Internet, Fritz DSL Protect will inform you about it and allow you to decide yourself whether the software is allowed or prohibited. In this case, Microsoft Windows Media Player is allowed to connect to the Internet. As you can see, additional online content is displayed immediately. Once again, the media player is started. And this time, we refuse the connection to the Internet. Thus, no media content is downloaded or requested because no connection to the Microsoft server is established. From now on, you will be asked to authorize critical connection attempts, such as by viruses or Trojans. Using Fritz DSL Protect, it is up to you who does what on your computer. The heart of a connection approval or refusal is the automatic program control of Fritz DSL Protect. Here you define which programs are allowed to communicate externally and which are not. Besides manual authorization, there is also the option of adding a program to the list permanently. Let's start the media player once again and allow it to connect to the Internet. Beforehand, we instruct Fritz DSL Protect to save this authorization. You can see that Windows Media Player was added to the list under Program Control. The green light for Go symbolizes approved access.